Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing, wherever you are. Close your eyes or soften your gaze if you prefer to keep them slightly open. Let your body relax, feeling supported by the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly release it through your mouth. As you exhale, feel the tension melting away from your shoulders, your back, and your legs. Let's do that again. Deep breath in, and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel your body becoming a little heavier, sinking into relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to the points of contact between your body and the chair or the ground. Notice how solid and stable the earth feels beneath you. Allow yourself to feel supported and grounded. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your focus to the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your nose or mouth. Notice how cool the air feels as it enters, and how warm it is as it leaves. If your mind begins to wander, whether it drifts to tasks, worries, or plans, gently guide it back to the simple rhythm of your breath. There's no need to control it. Just observe it flowing in and out, like the waves of the ocean. Now take a moment to scan your body, starting from the top of your head and moving down to your toes. As you scan, notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Perhaps your forehead is tight or your shoulders are tense from the day's work. Wherever you feel tension, imagine that part of your body softening with each exhale. Let go of any stress held in your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, down through your arms and hands. Feel your chest expand gently with each breath, releasing any tightness in your ribs. Move your attention down to your lower back and hips, allowing them to relax. Finally, notice any tension in your legs, your feet. Let it all go with each exhale. Feel your body growing lighter, more at ease with every breath. Now that your body is relaxed, let's bring in a sense of calm and positivity. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in fresh, energizing air. Picture it filling you with clarity, focus, and relaxation. As you exhale, imagine you're releasing any remaining tension, stress, or worry. Picture all the heaviness dissolving away. Breathe in calm. Breathe out tension. Breathe in energy. Breathe out stress. Take one more deep breath in, feeling refreshed and clear. Hold it for just a moment, and then let it all go with a long, relaxing exhale. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your surroundings. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed, and take a moment to notice how you feel. You've just taken a few minutes for yourself. Carry this sense of calm with you as you return to your day.